Hi, I'm delighted you've come to this page for my guide on how to use your smartphone to spontaneously capture, record audio and video memories. My name is Sheila Finkelstein. I've been on the web for many years doing all kinds of recording. I'm a photographer, artist, coach, coach seniors in technology made easy, and a whole wide range of things. And recently, I discovered the iMovie app on my iPhone, and I found from a friend there's one which in my guide below I talk about, also for Android apps. And I've been about in treasuring your life now. When you hear someone say anything that you might want to remember or a story of your own, just even somebody says something nice about you and you'd love to hear it again, just whip out your phone and put it on record. A lot of people don't like to be videoed spontaneously, but you can very quietly with an audio app on your phone, record that. I got really excited the other day when I was talking to a new friend, and she mentioned that she got all excited at seeing how she could be creating videos so easily and quickly for her now 1.5-year-old grandson. And the first thing she was going to do is how his mother, her daughter, as a youngster, turned her tricycle into a car wash. I'm hoping she will allow me to share that story with you when she creates the video. Please check out the guide. I'd love to hear what kinds of questions you might have as I expand on it. And I'm here to support you in treasuring your life now, capturing the moments, the memories, so years down the line, you aren't wondering what happened then, and your family members and maybe your kids and grandkids will have the answers there for them. So thank you again, Sheila Finkelstein, YourUntoldStories.com.